Going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, guys, here we have GBP CAD, say GBP CAD. So I'm about to take this entry, guys, right now, because this market, guys, as you can see, if you really know about price action, you can see the reason why I'm taking this trade. And if you don't know, I'm about to share with you guys the reason why I'm about to take this trade right now, because to me this is powerful. This is a powerful opportunity. So let me just have this trade first. I already give the signal to my team. I already give the signal to my team. Let me take this trade first. After that, I will show you guys the reason why I'm taking this trade. Boy, here, guys, I'm here to share all of my knowledge with you guys so that everybody can be able to understand how to make money in a forex market easier. It's not easy money, but it's going to be easy since you got a right information. So the reason why, guys, I'm taking this entry, let me show you. I'll have to switch on 4 hours time frame first, but before I do anything, let me just put my my stop loss right here. The stop loss is going to be at this point here, because you can't put the stop loss right here, because this was the reason why you took the trade. So I have to put the stop loss at the previous lower high, which was this one. This is the reason why I took the trade. The reason why the stop loss is going to be at the previous lower high. So let me put my stop loss right here. First, I'm gonna use these numbers right here to put the stop loss for this who doesn't know how to do it. So the stop loss is going to be 1.70530. all right, I can just use 7530, 70530. all right, 70530. all right, and after that click modify. So as you can see, the stop loss is this one right here. You feel me? The stop loss is this one here. It's this one here. Listen, guys, the stop loss is kind of big. I just took this risk because the market structure is good. Otherwise, I would have been took this entry from here. This entry, I would have been took it from here, but I'm late. But I didn't want to miss this opportunity for sure, because bro, it's a good structure. I love this structure. So let me show you guys the reason why I'm taking this structure. So as you can see, guys, this is my favorite market. I love this kind of structure. As you can see, look, let me use let me put the trend line so they can see. All right, I hope you can see, guys. The market is it's on uptrend. Right, the market is on uptrend. You can see that we got the first touch at the trend line, and the market give us the continuation. We get a pullback here. After pullback, we got another continuation. We broke the previous zone, which was this one. The previous zone, which was this one. And after that, we got another pullback. We got another pullback to the trend line right here, which means this is our third touch to the trend line. You feel what I'm saying? 30 touch. So you can actually see what we're expecting next. For sure is this move right here. You feel what I'm saying? For sure we're expecting this move from here all the way to here. So let me do this for you guys to understand how things goes. Let's just use this one. So now this is what we're expecting. All right, we're expecting this move like this. The market is gonna go up like that, and up to this point right here, and this is going to be 2.1. I mean, it's going to be 1.5. You know, say I took the risk of 1 to make 1.5. You feel what I'm saying? I took the risk of 40 pips stop loss, 40 pips stop loss to make 80 pips stop loss right here. This kind of 45 pips from here to here to the stop loss is kind of 45 pips, but I'm going to make something about 80 pips. You feel what I'm saying? So it's not bad, and I'm expecting guys to make the profit from this market. But even though guys, I'm still in a losses, as you can see. But you always have to accept the negative. You know, say the trade is always go to the negative, because you know the broker always need a commission. That's why you always start with the red, but you end up with the blue. You know what I'm saying? So guys, this is the reason why I took this trade, and this is how you can do it as well to find this kind of this is how you can do it to find this kind of market. You know what I'm saying? You already need, guys. I see somebody's calling me, you know, that's why I'm losing control, you know. Yeah, so this is how you can be able to always find this kind of trend. You know, say find the market that already gives you the 3 touches to the trend line, and after 30 touch, guys, you can get in here and make money with this, like this. You know what I'm saying? And now listen, all you need, guys, you need to find a market which is moving, you know, this kind of trend, high. I mean, let me show you. Moving like this. This is the high, low, high, low, high. You know, say something like this. This is the very good structure in the market. Also, this is what we have here. You can see that we got a high low here, and you know, we got high low, high. You feel me? High low, high, and we're expecting high low, and after high low, we're gonna have high, something like that. So this is the reason why, guys, I'm like 90% to win this trade. You feel what I'm saying? So, you know, be ready, guys. I'll show you everything. When I say I'll show you guys how the trade went. You know what I'm saying? So peace out, guys. Let's wait until we make it. I'll show you the result from this market right here, because I have 99% of making this trade. So you already know how we do it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video for more knowledge like this. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join the free Telegram group, and leave the comment below. Let me know, guys, if you like this type of content. You know, say just leave the comment below, and if you would like another, just let me know what kind of content can I do it for you next, guys, because as I always say to you guys, I don't do what I want. I always do things that you guys want. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see here, guys, we're about to get the profit. You know what I'm saying? We are about to get the profit, guys. Peace out. See you on the next one.